Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is DJ Anderson, and I am here with the one and only Debbie Homer Hoffines. Hello, Debbie.
Hi, DJ.
How are you today?
I am great, and I am so excited about going to Above and Beyond our favorite people, Patrick and Kate.
I know it's actually been a while since we've been there too, like
Yes,
over a year, I
yeah,
think.
a little over a
And
year.
we're very excited because we've had some great experiences there. We love Patrick and Kate, the whole team there. We've had a lot of fun, some really great events, and I'm excited too because we finally get to show off everything that we've been working on and creating. This is like a dream come true for Debbie and I because we've always wanted to be able to create projects together and make them available to people. And this, we're finally getting the opportunity. We have brand new stuff, all of it 100% brand new. It's amazing. A lot of different things. Debbie, what are you most excited about?
Oh my gosh, DJ, I'm excited to actually show people that we've been doing something and not just playing and sitting around watching TV, eating bonbons, because we have worked so hard. I have come up with I think we've got what, 7 different purse patterns that I am very, very
They're
excited about.
great. They're
Some pretty
great.
unique ones, some different ones, and
You know,
some
the thing that impressed me the most about those bag designs is that, I've seen a lot of bags, like homemade bags and stuff, but these look like store purchased
that's
bags. And
full
it's just that was what amazed me the most. It was like, oh my gosh, this is like better than a lot of the purses I see people carrying around. And so it blew me away. Your purses absolutely blew me away.
well, and that's just one part of it. We've got some banners that we've created, one for Christmas that is just adorable that
Mhm.
you digitized, and it's amazing. When they see how you put it together, DJ, it's so, so beautiful. And then there's a very, very favorite of mine that you created especially for me, and I'm not gonna give it away right now. They're gonna have to come and see it, but, it's gotta be my favorite of all favorites, and you did it special for me.
Yes, and the funny thing is like I kind of forgot about it. You had mentioned it a couple days ago, and I was like, "Oh yeah, I forgot that I did that." But I've been we've both been super busy. We're excited to show all of this stuff off. We've both been working like 6 months nonstop on this. That's like an equivalent of a year's worth of work that we've been putting into it. So when we say that we have a bunch of new stuff, we have a bunch of new stuff. The wall hangings, there's over 20 different wall hangings, tons of home decor stuff, embroidery designs, just things that you're going to want to create. So you don't want to miss this event. We're going to be there in December, early December. You're going to find a link below where you can go to sign up for it the first weekend first, this Thursday and Friday of December. And we're excited to be there to share all this stuff with you again.
We can't wait, and when they see what the kitchen bundle is, oh my gosh, and
Mhm.
all of the sayings that you've done, oh my gosh, DJ, I can't wait to show it all. Finally, finally, I've been begging and begging, dying to show it. We finally get to show it.
Yes, Debbie has not been able to share everything because, we've been trying to finalize it all and we want to come out with a bang. Here's the other thing that's really cool. You guys are going to be one of the first people to even see this stuff. So we have some incredible deals. The people that come to the event this December, you're going to get deals that are not going to be available anywhere else ever again. We are coming out with a bang. We want everyone to see all the different techniques and be able to use them. So you definitely don't want to miss it because you're going to love the deals and all of the stuff that we have available to you.
And plus, you know how much fun DJ and I have together. So,
We can't wait. We haven't been able to hang out for a few months and we can't wait to see each other. So
and I
we look forward to seeing you there. Make sure you sign up before it's too late, before it gets filled up. And we look forward to seeing you there.
can't wait. See you all soon.
Bye.